So hi guys, welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video it's all about Cardano ADA, as you can probably tell by the title and by the screen at the moment. So what we're going to be talking about is the latest news on Cardano and why it's about to explode, and you know, the price is about to shoot up to at least $5 to $10 in the next few months, or at least by 2022. So I'm going to be giving you guys the recent news on this and why it's about to go up. A lot of companies are investing into it, a lot of investment companies actually, and a lot of people are, you know, deciding whether they should start using it as a payment method, accepting it as a payment method. However, Cardano is a cryptocurrency which is used for basically different reasons as to why Bitcoin is used and why Dogecoin is used, and we will be going into that in detail very shortly. Also, before I get into the video, I just want to advise you guys that I am not a financial advisor, so any gains or losses you guys make, I am not responsible. So before you invest your money, go do your own research and your own reading before listening to any, you know, people that are advising you to invest into online, or even your friends and families, because at the end of the day you are responsible for your own money. So let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna start off with the hourly chart, which I tend to not do because the hourly chart literally fluctuates every single minute, so it can go to a positive to a minus in a minute. So it's currently worth minus 0.54% in the last hour, and for the past day it has gone down 1.93% last 24 hours, but you can see there have been very high peaks and dips here, peaks and dips. So again, this is not a very clear picture. The hourly, I usually look at the monthly one to get a clear picture of the overall month and how it's been doing for the whole past 30 days. But yeah, let's quickly have a look at the weekly one. It has been going down 11.65% for the past week, and let's have a look how much it was worth here. It was worth about $1.30, which then has been dipping ever since to the lowest, which was $1.05 or 1.04 actually, and then it went back up, and now it's fluctuating around 1.13 to 1.10, 1.11 dollars. And let's have a look at the overall month. It has gone up 122.17% for the whole month since about the 8th of February, and or even the 6th here. So we can see that there has been a very clean or slow peak overall for the past month, and that's why it's gone up 122.17%. and yes, guys, I believe that it will keep going up. Obviously you're gonna see some dips and peaks here and there. However, overall it will be going up. As you can see, it's peak, dipped, peak, dip, peak, dip, and it's getting ready for its next peak, the highest peak that it would ever have done probably. And yeah, I feel like it will hit $2 to $3 in the next few months, and these are my predictions, guys. It's not official, it's not something that will happen, but something that I'm predicting that may happen in the near future. So again, don't take my word for it just because I said it will hit $2, but if it does, then happy news for everyone who's holding Cardano ADA. But yeah, so let's have a look at the first news and what's going on with ADA and why the price is very likely to jump up to its highest peak that it's ever been. So first of all, FD7 Ventures completes $380 million Cardano purchase. So FD7 is Dubai or United Arab Emirates based billion-dollar cryptocurrency investment fund, which is called FD7 Ventures, announced today that they have completed their purchase of $380 million worth of Cardano ADA with funds that were a conversion from part of the company's existing Bitcoin holdings. The transaction was completed on Thursday, March the 4th, about 4 days ago basically, putting the firm ahead of the previous goal of completing the conversion by mid to end of March. So as you can tell, obviously I'm not going to go through the whole news here, I'll be here all day, but Business Wire is what it's on, and this is the headline if you guys want to go ahead and read the whole article and want more information. But that's pretty much it for this specific news. As you can see, a lot of investment companies are investing into ADA Cardano, and especially when it's $380 million, it's a lot of money, guys. And obviously, as you can see here, the completed the purchase of blah 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 that were a conversion from part of the company's existing Bitcoin holdings. So what they done is basically converted their Bitcoin into ADA Cardano, which may be a clever move. Obviously businesses like this are not stupid, or they're very smart, they're very clever with their money, they know what they're doing. So it looks like ADA does have a future, and it will reach its peak, and they invested into it on the March the 4th. So let's have a look at what it was worth around the 4th of March. So that was about 4 days ago, so we can have a look at the weekly one. So 4th of March it was worth 1.23, I mean that's the third, sorry, 4th of March 1.19, 1.20, 1.16, depends on what time they bought it, but it looks like 1.13 even hit 1.08. So if they did buy it here and they invested that much money, then they are officially on a gain at the moment. However, if they did buy it early on the day, then they will be on a loss. So yeah, Every7 Ventures is one investment company that have invested a lot of money into Cardano out of a lot of other companies, which I'll be going through very shortly. And also, just before I get into the next one, I just want to let you guys know, once I hit 3,000 subscribers, I will be sharing my cryptocurrency portfolio and showing you guys how much money I've made or lost on each specific crypto. So Bitcoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. So I'll be going through each and every single one of them, how much I've bought, and if any of them are on a loss, I'll be showing you guys, and if any of them are on a gain, I'll be showing you guys that as well. So it's literally a whole portfolio video on how much I've invested as well. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, as that video will be releasing as soon as I hit 3,000 subscribers, which I'm trying to aim by the end of March, which is this month. So yeah, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button. But yeah, let's get into the next news, guys, for you. So the next Bitcoin, investors flock to new cryptocurrency ADA, which is basically Cardano. So this specific news that I'm reading is on 9 News. The headline is this, if you guys want to read the whole article, but what I'll be doing is going just through a quick recap of what it says. So as Bitcoin surges, cryptocurrency investors are looking for the next golden goose, with one token in particular exploding in value. It's called ADA, and it's the native token of the Cardano blockchain, a similar technology to Bitcoin where all transactions are recorded on a single ledger. Much like other cryptocurrencies, any user anywhere in the world can use ADA as a secure exchange of value. So as you can see, this should be the ADA graph, which was on Coindesk. As you can see, in the past 3 months it has tripled. The value of it has not even tripled, it's gone up so much. And you can see here it's currently priced at $1.39, which this was a bit old, but if you jumped on board in 2020, you could have bought ADA for just 20 cents per token. According to trading multi-brokerage company eToro, ADA has seen a 157% increase in trading the past month, hitting a high of $1.45 on the last weekend of February. So this is just, if you guys want more news on it, you can go to 9 News and read it. But yeah, this is what I'm saying. ADA looks like it will explode very soon, not to the amount that Bitcoin is currently worth, but it may be the next Bitcoin in the long term. In about 5 to 10 years it might be worth a lot of money. So yeah, let me know if you guys are holding ADA Cardano, and if any of you guys bought it when it was very cheap, around 20 to 15 cents back in 2020, and the value of it has increased massively in the past few months. And yeah, that for those of you who are holding it, well done. But I'm pretty sure some of you may have sold it, or bought pizzas with it, just like the guy who bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 bitcoins. He would have been worth millions, literally millions by today, but he chose the 2 pizzas. At least I think he probably enjoyed those 2 pizzas, who would have been valued at millions of pounds today. But yeah, anyway, back to ADA Cardano. I personally believe in cryptocurrency overall, not just Cardano, but cryptocurrency. Some people don't believe in it and think it's a joke, but the figures talk. Like Bitcoin was worth literally pennies about 10-11 years ago, but today it's worth millions and millions of pounds. Anyways, moving on to a different news on this website called FX Street, which I usually get my news from, as they're very up to date and very reliable. If you guys want, the website is called FX Street, and you can come here for more information. As I always say, I'm not going to read the whole article as it's going to be too much for the video. Let's just have a look at what they say. So, Cardano price prediction: ADA ready to resume uptrend towards $2. Cardano price shows signs of a reversal after a 30% correction. The Tom DeMark sequential indicators buy signal on the 4-hour and the 12-hour chart hints at a continuation of the bull rally. Transaction data shows stiff resistance at $1.28 that could deter ADA's upswing. So it has been going down, as you can see on the weekly chart as well as the monthly chart. It's been fluctuating and it's been going down for the past week, as it's gone down 12.34% in the past week, and I feel like it is getting ready for a uptrend very soon. Obviously it is at just about $1.12 at the moment. It has gone down since I started recording this video. Let's have a look. Yeah, so as you can see, it has gone down a little bit. However, let's have a look. So according to the news that I've shown you guys in this video, it looks like it is ready to take off very soon. It's about to explode. So I will be going through how much I've invested later on, not in this video unfortunately, but stay subscribed for that. And yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, are you guys holding it? Have you guys sold it, or are you guys buying the dips? Personally, I would love to buy the dips. However, I'm not really experienced in that field yet. I tend to hold it for a long period of time, about a few years, rather than buying the dips and selling it when it's high. Buying, selling, buying, selling. I know you can make a good amount of money doing that. However, because of the fees included, depends on how much money you make and how much profit you make, because the fees can be quite hectic depending on how much you invest. If you're putting in about 100,000, the fees are more likely to be in the hundreds or even the thousands, depending on your investment into the crypto, and also depending on the trading platform that you use. For example, on Coinbase, the fees might be a little bit higher than on Binance. I'm not sure how it works because I tend to use a different platform. I'm not going to reveal that in this video, but yeah, that video is coming soon once I hit 3,000 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be revealing what I'm giving away when I hit 3,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, as well as on my Instagram, which is AJ_5 and then 5 again. So AJ_FIVE and then the number 5. So make sure to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. Let's try and get this video to 55 likes. And yeah, go smash the like button. Comment down below any suggestions that you may have. I know a lot of you are talking about Matic Network, also known as Polygon. I did make a video on that, so if you haven't checked that out, and if you're a fan of Matic Network, Polygon, go check out that video and also like that video as well. And yeah, any other crypto, any other stocks that you want me guys to talk about, let me know and I'll do that for you guys, no problem. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends and families, and yeah, hit the subscribe button, mainly as I'm trying to hit 3,000 subscribers and most of you are not subscribed. So please guys, it will mean a lot if you guys could just go and hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'm gonna stop right here and let you guys get on with your days. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care and peace.